Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another STEAM lesson. We are still talking all about light and shadows. So in our last lesson, we looked at how shadows are created when an object blocks light. So the object is blocking the light that's shining on it and the shadow is made. We're going to keep talking about that today by looking at different types of objects and their opacities. So we have different opacities here and we're going to talk about each one, but that word, it really just is a way to describe how much light can shine through something. So our first one we're going to talk about is a transparent object. So a transparent object is something that all light can pass through. This object is transparent. All light can pass through it. When I shine a flashlight on it, I can see all of that light come through, and any detailed objects like my fingers, I can see through this object. So another item that's transparent is cellophane, but this one is really cool because it can change the light behind it. So see how it's turning this orange? If I get another color, like blue, it's going to turn it blue. But just because it's changing the color doesn't mean it's changing the opacity, because my fingers are still going to show through in the shadow. Okay, so this object is still transparent because it allows all the light to pass through it. The next type of opacity is translucent. So a translucent object allows some light to pass through it. So when I put this in front of my face, you can probably see my outline, but I doubt you can see much more than that. So when I shine my light on this, it's allowing light to go through it. You can even see it on the back side, but it wouldn't allow me to see very many details. So a translucent object lets some light through, but not very much. Next, we have objects that are opaque. So an opaque object is something that's solid. It does not allow any light to pass through. So when I shine my light on this book, no light passes through it. It is completely opaque. So we have objects that are transparent, which allow all light through, translucent, which allow some light through, and opaque, which allow no light through. And then finally, we have one more that's pretty cool. It's reflective. So this is just a piece of foil. And when I shine my light on it, no light shines through, but it bounces back. So you can probably see that light shine right back at you. So a reflective object bounces the light back. Your challenge this week is to go on a scavenger hunt in your house. I want you to find an object that is transparent, translucent, opaque, and reflective. So you're going to find one reflective object, one opaque object, one translucent object, and one transparent object. I want you to write down what you found and then send that to your teacher and she will send it to me. I will see you next time.